So recently I heard about this company called Malice that is like trying to ruin open source software essentially. From my understanding, the company is using a loophole in like copyright laws to bypass open source licenses so they can take software, basically software that's using that license and rewrite it to where they no longer are required to use that license. So essentially, I guess what is the loophole called? Clean room recreation, which is essentially they take in an AI agent, have it read over a repository or open source like software repository, write out like instructions or specifications on pretty much exactly how to build that repository, and then they'll take that and feed it into another AI agent or another AI and be like, hey, following these instructions and specifications, build me out a repository that does this. But the reason that that allows them to bypass it is because essentially they've created this like a brand new repo using legally distinct code. Oh, that sounds like something's going on. Some legally, which is legally distinct code allegedly, but it just does the same thing. So it's not technically copyright infringement. And so what they can do is they can then go sell that repo or use that repo in production code, and instead of having to use the open source license that says, hey, anything you use this with has to also be open source, they can just be like, oh, we don't have to use that open source license anymore. So they can take that, make some sort of software with it, whatever they need, and then doing so, they can make profit off of it instead of having to open source the rest of their project, which is insane.